Melin Melyn! Look at them. Smile, boys. It sounds like you're enjoying it. So yeah, would you like to meet the individuals? Okay, so on my left here. Will and janitor will mop any beer that you spill. Bacon, Kai can thump his thumbs with his breadsticks. Fishmonger untreating glide his fishy fingers and slide some country tunes on his pedal steel. Isn't that right? And Gary on his snack, no matter what shelf or rack, and Dylan scans your items with his machine. In fact, sorry, Dylan, can you do us a favour? Would you mind performing a demonstration for our customers, please? Would you mind scanning an item for us, please? Lovely. So, it's a jolly basket. Sorry?
Buy one, get one free today.
What's up, buy one, get one free? That's on Monday, it's only time. So, it's a jolly basket. We're so enthusiastic. Oh, we have the most fantastic customer experience for you. So, Croeso jolly basket. Reliably sourced. Any financial complaints or energy complaints, it's on our 7 might save you some penny. We've got salty pasta pizzas and a K9 too. We've got a special discount on the lunch and jelly. And today we've got some welcomes and praise. It's a jolly basket, we're so enthusiastic. We hope that you enjoy it. We hope you'll stay forevermore. So on behalf of all of Melin Melyn, Croeso jolly baskets. Yeah, welcome to Jolly Basket. Just about, thank you very much. Gwastra fiamser, 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 come and do iaith as well as the da. I'm away to you at the A-way. Come and do iaith as well as the da. I'm a matter to you at the A-way. Mr. Bobby Bobby, I don't mind if we. Mr. Bobby Bobby, I don't mind if we. Come and do iaith as well as the da. I'm a Bobby to you at the A-way. Special store announcement. We have some fantastic products on sale today, from avocados to zucchinis, from jellies to blancmange. Come and try our products. Diolch yn fawr, dewch chi flasu bwyd. You know, I love Green Man. I mean, the music's great, but the food is fantastic as well, you know? In fact, there's nothing I enjoy more than eating fantastic food on the cloudy promenade, wishing the spices weren't so spicy, and that they don't turn me into the attic rain. While you watch me fall apart, I've got a bundle of questions I'd like to ask before you steal my have you ever wondered once we came here to the room, contemplating how we started off? I go, I'm rambling again. Shall I just go home? Excuse me, what did you just say? No, that's not how you spell my name. You got the golden gumption plus the education to stick some extra syllables in along the way. But who am I to say? Who am I to complain? What if I miss this train? What if another one never came ever again? Oh, tell me what we came here to prove. Won't you kindly hold me gently? Don't let go, I'm trembling again. Diolch yn fawr. Who would like to meet Jolly Basket's mystery shopper of the day? Please welcome to stage the one and only Dr. Sausage! Not now, Jesus, man, we immersed that rip. Anyway, God, how many times? Right, who wants to hear our next big hit single? We'd love it to go to number 2, so if you can please buy all the records, that'd be fantastic. The man Carne with me. It's inspired by when I went to a gallery in a place called London, and this artist had stickers all over his artwork, and I turned around to him and said, "Isn't that fantastic? You've sold all of these, so that means you're actually making a living out of selling art. That's amazing." And he said, "Don't be ridiculous," he said. "I don't make a living out of this. The only way I make a living is by going to posh people's houses and painting their dogs." So, mae'r gan yma mynd allan I holl artistiaid sydd yma. This song goes out to all the artists in this field. Keep doing what you're doing, because without it, the world would be crap. This is called I Paint Dogs. So the sailor turning their heads to be people's dreams. I swear to God that she thinks she's a queen. Don't you think that leaving nappies on the plate is extreme? I wanna scream! Such a woman when she travels to faraway lands. Suppose I could join the matching brass band. I'm sorry, but there's no place from here you understand. So here's a plan. I'll paint dogs. Up and down the country, I'll paint dogs. I'll paint dogs. So that I can be free, I'll paint dogs. With a shake in the park, this answer all of our dreams. A chance to finally conquer the scene. But it's just a superfluous request on my screen. So I'm saying, hustling courage and steps inside the room with a smile. I haven't felt any love for a while. Let me click my emotions, I'm so versatile. Watch me smile, and then cry, and then smile. You should have gone to college, you should have gone to school. Focus on your algebra, not mess around with fools. I looked inside my wallet, I checked inside my shoes. No matter where I'm looking, I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to do? You know what you must do. I want you all to howl. I want you all to bark. I paint dogs. I paint down the country. I paint dogs. Dog rocks. I paint dogs. So that I can be free. I'll paint dogs. I'll paint dogs. Up and down the country. I'll paint dogs. Yes, I'll paint dogs. So that I can be free. I'll paint dogs. Up and down the country. I'll paint dogs. I just paint dogs. So that I can be free. I'll paint dogs. 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 Mae'n hyfryd I fod yma maes bach. It's lovely to be here. Gobeithio bod chi gyd yn amser da. Looking forward to boogie later, long intro. Yn o'r gand I nefoedd yr adar. Mae'n gafod glân. Withro trwy y bar. Y cyfralyd iawn, gan bwy ges i'r hawl. you very much. Hey, what do birds do? They fly. What else flies? Planes. Who saw us in the War Garden last year? Alright, so it's not a new audience then, that's a shame. Well, we never ever disappoint you. We'd like to introduce the plane. It should be coming in any second now. Count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. Here it comes! Look at that beauty. In she goes, sausage. In she goes. Catch! Oh, God. Well, that's the end of that plane. £8 from Smith's. I'll be sending them an email. Not the standards we're used to at the Jolly Basket supermarket store. Here's another new one. Ideas for his master plan, but the monkeys just don't know what they want, so he won't go. Chipping away at the blessing fold with his big fat snout and a jowl on the floor. When he met the slippery snake, and the slippery snake did say, "Oh, burn this sorry kingdom to the ground." Make no sound. On keys we have Dyn Gwyrdd from DD Derillo, who's playing at the Walled Garden on Sunday at 1:30. Make sure you go and see him. Bloody brilliant. Right, who was at the Walled Garden last year, you said? It was amazing. Oedd y ddwrnod anhygoel, byth gofiad yna I byth anghofio. Ond yna un person ddim yma, oedd yna llynedd, a sy'n ei licio dedicatio hon iddo fo. There's one person here that was there last year, and he's a big loss to me. He was my dad, his name was Aled. He was a big loss to all of us as a band, because he was a great friend. So os yn ei licio deud bod y gan yma, yn mynd allan I dad, I Aled. And it also goes out to anybody who's grieving or has lost anyone at any point. Just tap, hold each other tight. Your dad, the Aled, take it away, Ash. Welcome to Jolly Baskets. Great, right. Oh, no, dear. Just had some. Oh no. Oh, I hate this. I can't believe this already. Awkward. Okay. Terrible store announcement. The Jolly Basket supermarket store is now closing. We're going to nebys mae'r farchnad yn cau. Thank you for your custom. Diolch yn fawr. Bye. I feel a tear in my eye, for it is time to say goodbye. It's nearly time to shut the Jolly Basket store. Auf Wiedersehen, au revoir, arrivederci, tata. It's nearly time to shut the Jolly Basket store. Oh, and on your way out, if you fancy a shirt, bag or hat, we're selling merchandise that helps to fund this tour. Really we are. In the Green Man record shop over there, we sold absolutely loads last year. Let's do better this year. So come into Jolly Baskets. We're so enthusiastic. We hope that you've enjoyed the store. We hope you'll come back through our doors. Yeah, so on behalf of all of Melin Melyn, hwyl gan Jolly Baskets. Yeah, farewell from Jolly Baskets. Hold on. That's not how the song ends. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, do you know what? I've had enough. I've had enough. I quit. I'm going to be... Everybody move. Look around my field, it fills me up with rage. My brain is a rat spinning in a cage. You killed my sheep and my chickens too. Skirt up, hat up, we're coming for you. The cows don't milk and the cock don't crow. My wife don't speak to me, she feels so low. You drink so much port, your face is blue. Skirt up, hat up, we're coming for you, Rebecca. Rebecca, whoa, whoa, whoa. Everybody on the hill, wave. Rebecca, Rebecca, whoa, ho, ho. Rebecca, Rebecca, whoa.
little guy.